Hello everyone, my name is Nurulaili. I will present the background of our team project. The increasing population in the world also has other impact on daily life, one of which is an increasing the number of used goods that must be processed. The lack of knowledge about the processing of used goods is one of the factors that makes used goods fill up. To overcome this problem, the application provides a service for the community to be able to distribute used goods that are style suitable for use to people who need it more. This application also provides a service for the public to get used goods that can be recycled into more useful goods. Often humans have goods that are not used so that they are piled up at home or in warehouse while older humans like and need this item. On the basis of a sense of humanity, the application invites and helps others to get decent goods need by being an intermediary. With this application, it is hoped that it can help the community in processing used goods that are piled up at home so that this item can be useful for others. In addition, the application can also be a place to share and do good to fellow human beings. Reason: we chose this team to help processing used good in Indonesia. We hope this application can help provide education to the public about processing used good and making good use of used good, so as to reduce the wastage of used good in Indonesia. Existing result. So far, we've seen the results from other people making food sharing apps, but it hasn't developed in Indonesia yet. But the recess is only for sharing food and we want to develop an application to share disposable goods for people in Indonesia.
For our dataset, we use Fashion Analyst dataset from Google. Fashion Analyst a dataset comparison of 28 multiplication 28 quadricycle image of 17,000 fashion products from 10 categories with 7,000 images per category. The training set has 60,000 images and the test set has 10,000 images. Fashion analysts share the same image size, data format, and the structure of training and testing split with the original analyst. For the machine learning model, use cross-functional accelerator and add some actional layer. The convolutional front end, we start with a convolutional layer with a small filter size is 3,3 and a modest number of filter is 32 followed by a max pooling layer. And for the second layer, we use convolutional layer with a small filter size 3,3 and a modest number of filter 64 followed by a max pooling layer. The filter maps can then deflate it to provide feature to the classifier. A layer will use the value activation function. Then we use 28,28,1 for input dates and get better testing results. So that is 19% accuracy.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Balfari, and here is the screenshot of the app. There is splash screen, login screen, home screen, and detail page. And we go from the splash screen, and from there we can go to the login screen, and we directed to home screens, and then after we click the item, we go to the detail screen, and after that there is confirmation screen that we can take the stuff that we want. There is a wishlist screen that we can favorite the product that we want, and there is a transaction screen that include a share screen, and there is a share stuff screen that we can make our product to be shared. This is the login screen. We can sign in and continue as our account, and this is the home screen. We can share our product. We can choose t-shirt, and we specified the name t-shirt, full t-shirt, and share. After successful, we can go to the t-shirt, and we can order our t-shirt. We can take a note. Please go fast and share. After the share, we get the confirmation. We can choose to share or reject it. We choose to share the thing that to that people, and after that, the status of the tag is confirmed, and we can share, and we can take the stuff that we want. After that, after 24 hours, there will be a limit time for you can take the stuff, and for the sharer, you can confirm the sharing. After that, we choose to confirm, and the transaction is done.
Hello, I'm Rima Sania. We will continue our team presentation. In improving our product in the future, there are several things we would like to do. The first is can add item to cart, so that in one cart can accommodate more than one item. The second is can send message, to make it easier to connect between two users who want to share their stuff. The third is having a location map, which in addition to showing the user location, can also be considered in determining the best location when distributing the stuff. This is our product flow include architecture. In the process flow, user has to log in to authenticate using Firebase. Then, data coming from mobile will go to Cloud Run using HTTP requests, which will be handled by REST API. After that, when users start accessing this product, the data will be stored in MongoDB. In addition, we also use cloud storage to store predictive data when the user takes picture of the item to be shared. CloudML to identify the model, and with Cloud PubSub can provide real-time notification that all output will be displayed again for users. And this is our documentation. The first thing we do is download the dataset and process it in the notebook. Then do create label map with PBTXT format. The third, we do convert the dataset for TF record format before finally doing the training model and model evaluation. Next, we create API for prediction with the best checkpoint model, then bundle API to Docker image and deploy to Cloud Run service. And also, you can visit our documentation at the link list in the video.
Hello, my name is Aziza Zahra. I will present about plan a local deployment of your project, budgeting, and timeline. For the first slide is plan a local deployment of your project. A tool local implementation of the project you've done for the next 6 months. As I follow, the first, fix the UI appearance of the application. The second, improve application feature. The third, promote the application using a marketing strategy. The fourth, looking for as many clients as possible. The fifth, creating a second idea. And for the next slide is budgeting. For budgeting, there has category, proportion, and budget. The first category is training. In the proportion, it is 40%, and for the budget, it is 400 US dollars. And the second is transportation category. In the proportion part, it is 10%, and for the budgeting part, it is 100 US dollars. And the third category is reset category. In the proportion part, it is 40%, and for the budget, it is 400 US dollars. And the fourth category is survey. In the proportion part, it is 10%, and for the budget, it is 100 US dollar. And the next slide is timeline. There has 6-month timeline. For the first month, we are doing prototyping and demo, and we are doing the first phase trial. And the second month, we are doing prototyping demo, the first phase trial, and we are doing analysis, feature update, and performing tuning. And for the third month, we are doing analysis, feature update, and performing tuning. For the fourth month, we are doing analysis, feature update, and performing tuning. For the fifth month, we are doing the second phase trial and analysis and questionnaire survey. For the sixth month, we are doing analysis and questionnaire survey.
My name is Sidik Satriatama. I will explain how can this project can make profit. The profit of this application is obtained from serving advertisement in the application and premium user feature. The premium user feature make it easy for user who want more information and notification about used good to be shared. And next, case of implementation. Imagine you have items that are still fit for us very much. You think about selling it, but it's hard to sell it. Then you intend to give it, but it's also difficult because not everyone you know needs the things you share. Instead of giving it away, you throw away the item. Even though there are maybe many people you don't know who need the item you throw away. Therefore, you need an application. You can make it easy for people to give away the things that are no longer in use, and also make it easier for people who are looking for things for free. And next, for detail and future information, please read our proposal go-to-market product and this link. That's all. Thank you.